In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off web browsing in Claude AI. If you want Claude to respond only with what it already knows and what you provide, and not fetch live information from the internet, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to switch web search off for your chat. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Claude AI. You're looking for the official Claude site. When the search results appear, click the result that leads to the official Claude web app. Take a second to confirm the URL looks legitimate before you proceed, so you're in the right place. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. If a Google prompt appears, pick your account and follow any on-screen confirmations. Once you're signed in, you should land in your chat workspace or see an option to start a new conversation. Now, look at the chat input area at the bottom of the page. In the lower left corner of that input box, you'll see a small control. Depending on your screen size and current layout, it might appear as a slider icon or as a plus icon that expands additional options. Go ahead and click that control to open the menu. A drop-down will appear with several tools you can enable or disable for the current chat. Find the item labeled Web Search. This is the setting that allows Claude to browse the web while generating answers. Click the switch next to Web Search to toggle it off. When it's disabled, the switch usually turns white or gray, and the active highlight will disappear. That visual change is your confirmation that web browsing is now off for this conversation. With the switch off, Claude will not make live requests to the internet and will rely on its existing knowledge and anything you paste or upload. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If you don't immediately see the slider icon, try expanding the controls with the plus icon. It can be tucked away on smaller screens. If web search doesn't appear in the list, you might be in a context where the feature isn't available or your workspace settings restrict it. Also, the toggle is typically per chat, so if you start a fresh conversation later, check the setting again to ensure web browsing is still off. That's it. Open Claude, sign in, open the chat controls, find web search, and flip the switch off. You can always turn it back on the same way if you need live information later.